Hi everyone, my name is Shishir Nigam. I'm here from the Maker's Chest. Very excited to be here in Las Vegas, Nevada today at the headquarters of Full Spectrum Laser. I have with me Walker McKay, who is the laser wizard here at FSL. And today we're going to talk about the UV machine here. Why don't you tell us a bit about it?
So the UV is special. As you can see, the form factor is a bit different from your typical gantry system. Gantry system has a lot of moving parts. The UV is a Galvo. So all the laser comes out of here and it moves via mirrors inside.
Right.
So when you're looking at it, it looks like it's just creating the image.
Yeah.
It looks a bit magical, but
Yeah.
all the magic's happening inside there.
Yeah.
So less moving parts means less things that can possibly go wrong. And also the laser source itself is significantly better when it comes to lasting
Yes.
throughout time.
Yeah.
CO2 lasers, you have to change them out every so often, like the tires on your car.
Yeah.
But this guy's going to last significantly longer.
Yeah.
And the applications you can do with this just
Yeah.
keep on going. Pretty much anything you want to do, you can engrave. So
Yes.
if you take a leaf off of a tree, you can
Yeah.
engrave that. If you take a piece of metal, really anything.
Yeah.
And that's really the benefit of this guy is any material can be done.
Yeah.
And it's so delicate, and you can dial in the power settings so well that you can just mark the surface, go in depth, whatever you really want, you can dial in for this. This is great for small applications as well.
Yeah.
When it comes to small medical devices that need serialization,
Right.
we actually put our logo onto a grain of rice.
Yeah. That's amazing.
And you have to look at this under the microscope. It's so small.
Yeah.
We took the number pi and we put it on this card, and it to the human eye it just looks like a scrambled TV. But when you look at it under the microscope, you can see all the numbers.
That's amazing. And I think all of that is because the spot size of the UV laser is way, way smaller than that of a CO2 machine. That's what allows for the kind of precision. So really it has very, very unique capabilities, not just in terms of how small you can engrave, but the number of materials that you can engrave on. So again, if you guys have any questions on the UV machine, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to answer everything you have to ask.